you going to be a singer when you grow up?
Ask Aunt Rose if she's ready to rock.
Oh, I'm ready to rock.
Come on, sing with Sarah.
Oh my goodness, what do you want to sing? Whoa, we got a little bit of echo in this too.
Can you sing with Sarah, Haley?
You sound so good.
Sing with Sarah.
What do you want to sing? I don't think I know that song. Yeah, no, I'm sorry, I don't know that song. You want to sing? We can sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Stars. Yeah.
Do it, Haley. Sing it.
Twinkle, twinkle,